Hello guys, we will start in 9 minutes. I'll see you very shortly. Good morning guys, we are going to start in 7 minutes. Get the questions and tickets in, I'll see you very shortly. Hi guys, we will start in 3 minutes. I'll see you very shortly. I'm currently busy setting up a Dyson humidifier. I'm trying to follow the settings, so just bear with me, just connecting it. And if anyone does use it, please give me some feedback on it. Right, what up everybody? Hello, hello, hello. For those who just joined, I'm just sorting out this humidifier. I have to clean my tank with fresh water. Exciting. Okay, what up? How is the market? Is the market cooking or what? A couple of Discord members made some money on this. I know a few already done for the day, which is beautiful. Be careful with that Hoth trash. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me go through some plays. Let's see. What up, Totes? Hello, hello, hello. See you in 20 minutes. Good morning, MGRM. Is MGRM back up or no? MGRM, no volume right now. Sleepy, sleepy. MGRM, nothing exciting going on. No volume. Difficult to trade something like this for me. Yeah. Can't be trading something like this. There's not enough price action. Maybe above 420 you could look for entries, but I just wouldn't enter now. So MGRM, wait for 420 break. So don't enter now, just wait for 420 because I don't know what's gonna happen here. Not much. SES. AI themes getting smacked. Quantum's down. They're all getting rocked right now. I don't know why. Does anyone know why they just got tanked? SES, nothing on this. Maybe above 0.71. Above 0.71, you could look for entries. Let's put that psychological level in blue. Close above 7.1. A candle body close above, not a wick like that. So this is SES AI theme. Let's get the questions in, guys. Pump the questions. Pump the questions. Get the tickers in. Everything. Need 0.7. NIU. NIU is extremely bullish. This chart is insanely bullish right now. Gonna look. Oh shit, you guys can't see my screen. What an idiot. Right, I changed it now. These are your key levels. Sorry about that. I fixed. Good now? Let's see here. Is it good? Is it good? Is it good? Yeah, okay, cool. You can see. Nice. Alright, my bad, sorry. Okay, these are your key levels on NIU. This is very bullish. Very, very bullish. What up, totes? SCNX. I like this setup. If it doesn't move. Yeah. SCNX looks good. Discord members can use candlestick strategy. Otherwise, if you're not in the Discord, you can just use a simple downtrend break to look for entries on this. So SCNX. Wait for downtrend break to enter. There's nothing exciting going on right now. What up, totes? RGC. This thing's like $20 or something, isn't it? 18, yeah. I'm not going to be trading something like this, but overall chart, this is bullish. It looks great. I don't know anything about the stock other than I know that it's a bioscience. Reading the name. Here are your key levels, but yeah, extremely bullish. For entries, you could just wait for the high break. So probably around this 33.85 could be good. Could be good for entries. Yeah, above there would be good. What do you see? Yes. Ooh. Mitten Patel is on a spamming spree. Go on, that. Come on. More. GNPX, I don't know. This thing was very disappointing pre-market. I probably would just going to leave it alone. It's down. It's 10% now. Downtrend, bearish. At the moment, I'm just going to remove it off my watch list. It's too bearish. Can you please turn off the music? Sorry, yes. I changed the screen. CRVO is looking good. Here's your level, strong bullish trend, expecting continuation to the upside. ENVB, nothing exciting on this. Maybe if you want to take an entry, you could take risk entries at 222. $2.22. So we have ENVB, wait for 222 break. NVNI, what's happening with NVNI? NVNI, no entries unless 0.39. The stock is too bearish right now. There is no sign of reversal. I would just leave it alone. So NVNI, no entries unless 0.3900 break above. So just wait for NVNI above that. All right. Okay. Benefits of trading pre-market. The only benefit is if you're up, you're up. There's no real benefit, to be honest with you, because as a day trader, right, you're not holding these through intraday. In my opinion, I aim for targets. I aim for 5% target when I'm in a trade. So whether the thing keeps on running throughout through intraday, I'm still out of it. I look for re-entries at intraday. So benefit is maybe you can be done before market open and go do whatever you want to do for the rest of the day. But there's more drawbacks, in my opinion. One of them is obviously not having a stop loss. The volume isn't as much, so it won't respect technicals as much. It's more difficult to trade. So in my opinion, I tell new members when they trade, I'm here pre-market because I live in Dubai and I'm here. Like, I'm not doing anything, so I'm at home. So that's why I do share pre-market setups. But if I was in the US, I would be fast asleep in bed. BTOG. There's nothing exciting with BTOG at the moment. It is in a bullish pennant or falling wedge, sorry, which is expected to break out. But at the moment, it will only respect this technical if it has volume. And right now, there isn't much volume, so it's difficult to expect this to break out. But, you know, this is a bullish setup, so we shall see. Maybe the volume will come in. Maybe the news will come in. Needs volume to respect this bullish chart setup. All right. Because if there's no volume, it will just come down. Sellers will just take control of it. SYRS, this is looking like a fantastic setup. I would take entries above here. Discord members, you can use the candlestick strategy whenever you like. But yeah, this looks great. I like this setup. Expecting breakout. 0.1534, you can look for entries. Follow nothing unless $1.25. If you're in, cut it, sell it, get rid of it, and only enter if it gets above $1.25. That is it. Clear range to the upside after that. Anything below, don't care, nothing on it. Doesn't hold. The market doesn't hold pre-market. Some plays do hold pre-market, but they hold on news and stuff. We good, we're good, we're good. Nice, nice. Guys, let's like up the stream. Let's go. Market's picking up. Serious heat coming in. CYC, little volume spike here. Not too sure what's going on. What's the news? Anything exciting with it? Rise corporate update and letter stockholders. Don't really want to read it. Don't really care, but yeah, maybe above 0.62 around there. At the moment, it's still bearish trend. I know it's got a little volume spike here, but maybe above this resistance here will break to the upside. So CYCU needs 0.62 break. Don't know what the newsletter is or whatever the news is, so unfortunately I can't tell you. STSS. Guys, let's get some good questions in. Any questions you struggle with trading, right? Get those questions in. I know people struggle with them. Stuff that people struggle with in trading. So ask away. Ask anything about the Discord that we have. Ask anything about what my posts mean on Twitter, what you don't understand when I post things on Twitter. All those things, your questions are answered here. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. STSS, no entries unless 0.53400 break. 5340 break, sorry. ADTX, yes, I will be watching this play today. However, on a larger time frame, it is bearish, unfortunately. So that means that there is no sign of reversal yet at the moment. Maybe, possibly here at $4. We can mark $4 off here just for our sake. Now we go to the 5 minute, understand what's going on. Maybe you could take impulse entries above here. 613, you could take entries if you want to. Impulse entries means as soon as it breaks that high, you enter. You don't wait for a candle close. So impulse entries over 613. So impulse entries means that if it breaks this high, when the candle's moving, you take the trade. Another way you can take it is if the candle closes above here on the 5 minute, whatever time frame you use, then you can look for possible entry. ARBE, I just removed this one off my watch list. Nothing at the moment. It is, I guess, breaking out of this resistance here that we had. Probably around here, 136. I'll just keep 38. Yeah, it's breaking out a little bit. Maybe if it breaks this high at 151, you could look for entries. Just difficult to trade right now because of the lack of volume right now. So it's difficult. Guys, also just want to mention something about the Discord, okay? The Discord, I share how I trade. Everything you see here, how I draw the lines, all this stuff that is in the Discord, the seminars are on there, how you can chart exactly like me so you can chart like me. I get those questions a lot. People ask, in the Discord, do you share your setups, your strategies, how you trade? Yes, I do. Everything is in there. You can see it. My strategies are there. How to read candlesticks, how to read support and resistance, how to draw support and resistance. All those things are in the Discord. All right. No problem. Can you please review if demand zone is to 525? Right. AIFF. This is bullish. 525. I would use this demand zone here. I know you trade these kind of setups, but here maybe around 560 to 550. This is a main support here. I know what you mean. Actually, this is the main demand zone here, you could say. But the most recent one is probably around here. Neo, yeah, Neo's breaking out. The chart is currently bullish. We will see what happens. But yeah. Here are your levels for 549, then 585. LITM needs to get above VWAP. So anything above VWAP is where I would focus to look for trades. I definitely wouldn't enter now. Wait for a VWAP reclaim to enter. So I'll mention it here. LITM entries are only above VWAP. Use the indicator. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. TRNR falling wedge. Which time frame are you referring to with TRNR? But yes, just about. Volume is really dying off on this. Reason I can tell you is because of the size of candles. High volume here, large candles, low volume, small candles. But it is still setting up for a breakout. Still setting up for a breakout. We shall see what happens with that. Well done on SYRS. Discord members, someone just messaged me that they did take the candlestick strategy. I'm very proud of you. Well done. Thank you for listening. Easy money. You can come back tomorrow and make the same amount of money, even more. Easy money. Soo. Trading is easy when you know the strategies and what to do and how to use them. RR is getting smacked right now. Whole market of these quantum plays are getting smacked. It needs to hold $2 as a psychological support. So around here, $2. But I wouldn't be in this right now. I would not be in this right now. But good luck. On the falling wedge strat, doesn't matter the time frame you use. I see it on the 1 minute, but not on the 5. What do you mean you see it on the 1 minute, but not the 5? It's, you can get a falling wedge on any time frame. It can be on the 1 second, 1 minute, 5 minute, 20 minute, 3 minute, whatever. So for me, I use the 5 minutes. The reason why I recommend and say it in Discord to use the 5 minute is because I've back tested that and I know that works the best for me, in my experience. Maybe the 1 minute is better, but I haven't back tested it. I don't know. So if you're willing to back test on that, you're more than welcome to, but I use the 5 minute. That's all I use. What stage is the market right now? Is it bearish or bullish? Well, go to the SPY would give you a good indication. And right now it is bearish, downtrend. Market is bearish right now. Everything, there's not many runners. The volume isn't quite there. There's tariffs and all this stuff coming in with Trump. So he's pushing the market down a lot. So yeah, right now the market is bearish. It will be very bullish and it will be very easy to see when the market's bullish because everything will be running. Everything. 3 -7 for yes. Yo, yes, I saw that, Silver. Thank you. Would you recommend taking smaller positions but higher risk 10% style for an inexperienced trader? It just depends what your risk tolerance is. I just say for members, if you're trading, you need to develop a strategy, right? So once you develop a strategy and backtest it, then you can obviously increase your size. I personally don't trade with more than 20% of my account. So if I have $1,000 in my account, I don't trade with more than $200 per trade. So yeah, that's kind of my go-to. And that's what I give Discord members, kind of their ballpark. Don't use more than 20% of your account per trade. That's really it, to be honest. You don't want to be full porting trades because you will never gain consistency on that. Right, nice, well done. X times, lovely. SCNX, see, this is why you wait for the downtrend. This is why you wait. This is why you wait. This is why you wait for the downtrend break. Okay, everybody, to understand this for new traders, this is very simple logic in trading, and this is how you understand what this means. This line indicates a trend line. This is a trend line indicating that the stock is going down. How do I know that? Because the trend and the line is going down. A lot of red means sellers are in control. Now, in order for this to be bullish and that the stock will and probably go up, is if it breaks and closes above. A candle body must close above like that. This is the candle body. If the candle body does not close above, right, and you get a wick like this, then that means that it is not confirmed. It's called a fake out. The candle body must close above. However much, it doesn't matter. Ideally, you want more. That's it. Not trading, still here learning. Nice, nice, nice. UBTS breaking out. Quantum. Quantum is, I don't know. Quantum's a bit weird right now. A bit strange right now, quantum. So I'm going to draw a trend line like this. I'm going to go through these wicks just to give a clearer trend. Could be a possible bull flag, to be honest. A bull flag is a bullish chart pattern. Hence the bull. So possibly a bull flag setup. So QB possible bull flag setup. That's what it is. If I set a stop loss, can I sell at any time when in profits, or do I have to cancel the stop loss and quickly order? So if you're on Robinhood, I'm not too sure if you have OTO order. If not, I recommend, if you're in the US, just simply switch to Webull. It's the best broker you can probably use, in my opinion. You have all the orders there, and I would recommend that because you can use OTO order, which is one triggers the other. So that means if you have a target and a stop loss in place, you have a 5% target, 5% stop loss, right? All you have to do is let the trade play out. And if it hits your target, hit your target. If it hits your stop loss, hit your stop loss. That's what I recommend. Unfortunately, my broker is not that great in terms of that and don't have all those cool functions. So I have to enter the trade and put my position at stop loss. I have to do it manually. That is what I have to do. I'm very lazy and trying to switch to IBKR, but I don't know why I'm not. Yeah. And give a like. Yes, give a like. Let's go, Nimit. Let's go. Bond is no good. Just look at the chart on Bond and just leave it. Remove it off your watches, delete it. Don't trade it ever. Just don't bother with it. That's my honest opinion. QUBT, this one's also looking like it's trying to reverse. All of them are looking the exact same. So it looks exactly the same as that other chart I just did, which was QBTS. Remember the one I just drew with a bullish pennant? Oh, sorry, a bull flag. This is possibly the same setup. I don't know why this dumped earlier. If anyone can let me know, that would be great. But yeah, right now it's a little bit difficult. I don't know why it dumped. So we're just gonna have to wait this one out for now until it does doing its own thing. SCNX, what's happening? Nothing. Downtrend. HMR, no volume on this. Gonna remove this off my watch list. Sorry. ADTX is looking good. Break above here would look nice. CRVO, we'll keep this on watch. It is $10, so probably not on watch actually. This was disappointing yesterday. SYRS looks great. I'll just move this here. Use the candlestick strategy like this. Discord members, take it to the cleaners on. LITM is looking good, but we need confirmation if only if it closes above VWAP. Once it does that, then you know we can get in. RR, there's nothing really exciting going with RR. As long as it holds $2, it should be okay. But this whole quantum AI theme is coming down big time. Don't know why it's pulling back. I have no idea. But if you're in, make sure you have a stop loss and cut it at whatever your risk tolerance is. AIFF. AIFF overall chart is bullish, as we can see. Right, we've had a nice strong day yesterday. These are your key levels on this play. I would say here's your next resistance level, so maybe above 635 would look good. But yeah, overall chart is bullish. I'll have a look at the news in a minute to see if there is anything. Wait for 635 break. BTOG. Someone asked me about BTOG earlier. BTOG, yeah, nothing exciting on this. Like I said, if you're in it, make sure you have a stop loss. It's expected to break out, but there's a lack of volume, so it can also break down. Use a stop loss. Gents talking about, okay, thank you. Content side, right? Okay, thanks. Verb has been banging around today. Verb is 9% up. This one's a real, I don't know, it's a bit of a pump and dump in my opinion. I don't really like this stock too much. Doesn't have any, I would just avoid this. I'm not going to bother charting, unfortunately, but I know, I see what you're saying. It's going up here, but not clear enough, not enough volume yet. How much you keep a stop loss? I use a 3% stop loss, but you can use whatever stop loss you want. I recommend to use a max 5% stop loss and aim for a 5% target. That is simply a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So that means if you go in with $1,000 and you lose 5%, you are losing $50. Jensen, see you in the video. Yes, I did. Thank you. I remember someone actually mentioned it to me. I do remember who it was. I remember actually mentioning about it. Right, this is going to be big. So we have here and here like this. Video is still in a downtrend. How many maximum days you keep a stock? I do not hold a stock overnight. I buy and sell on the same day. I'm in a stock for 5, 10, 15 minutes and I'm out. That's how I trade. That's how I'm a day trader. I do have swing trades as well, which I give every Monday in the Discord, which I hold for whenever it hits my first target stop loss. Usually it takes a couple days or maybe a week, but apart from that, my main focus is day trading, and I'm in a stock for maybe 5-10 minutes. It's my stop loss or target. That's really how I trade. Yesterday was a fantastic trading day in the Discord. Unfortunately, I sold like an idiot one of my plays at break even. It was lays, but ran pretty nicely. Wow, he did. You guys seen that thing about Warren Buffett and BYD? He likes it. 2011, though. Yep. One member just said, plotting out all the resistance levels feels like a cheat code. It makes it easy. You are 100% correct, my friend. Right, anything else cooking on high heat right now? Nothing really exciting going on. So let's go through the watch list. SCNX? Nothing unless downtrend break. ADTX, I like this over 613. What is this? Yeah, about 613. I would wait for that break. SYRS, candlestick strategy. Anybody taking this? Anybody? Any takers on this one? Looking good, looking good, looking good. Damian Brown, have you got ears? Have you got ears? Have you got ears? Type 1 if you do, type 2 if you don't. So I know. Gone over BTOG 4 times already since your post. So I just want to make sure you have ears. If not, open the eyes. Damian, do you have press 1 ears or not? Please save this, screenshot it, set as your wallpaper. Remove your wife or your dog or your cat as your background and save this chart so you know what it looks like. As I mentioned, this is the last time I'll be mentioning BTOG. Are you ready, ready, ready? Listen up, listen up, listen up. The stock is bullish. It's expected to break out. Use a stop loss. There is low volume coming in, so the volume isn't quite there. So that means that there is a higher probability that the stock will break down. Okay? That means, although this is bullish, but there's low volume, there's a higher probability it will go down. However, if there is volume coming in with news, whatever it may be, then this will break out. It's expected to. So whatever your stop loss is, I recommend nothing more than 10%, right? How many stocks do you buy in a single day? Well, I will give you a rough estimate in the Discord. This is being my recap. I took 2 trades, 3 trades, 1 trade, 1 trade, 2 trades, 2 trades, 1 trade, 1 trade, 1 trade, 3 trades, 2 trades, 1 trade, 1 trade, 3 trade. According to my calculations, that is a 2 charts. I mean, 2 trades a day, roughly. 2-3 trades a day I take. I'm only in usually 1 at a time. 1 stock at a time. Got it. Cool. No worries. No worries. No worries. No worries. SCNX, what's happening? It's trying and needs to close above. So people will try and enter here. Newbies, new traders will try and enter here and think, oh, it's above. No, it's not. That's a fake out. Candle body must close above. This body here must close above. That's a wick. CRVO, 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 CRVO. Needs to close above 10. Needs to close above $10. Needs to close above $10. Yes, it does. But we need the confirmation. Yep, it's above you up as well, actually. It looks pretty decent. We shall see. I like SYRS. This is looking good. LITM's looking decent as well. Not many players on my watch list. Pretty much 4. I have 4 players on my watch list. And out of the 4, I'm only looking to probably trade these 2 because I don't trade stocks under $1. So it's going to be an easy day today by the looks of it. We shall see what is going to happen. BYD. BYDDY. Is that what it's called? Wow, they do. What is this chart? Watching what's WKSP? WKSP. Ooh, not my kind of style. Good luck with that one. But yeah, this is complete opposite of how I trade. But best of luck with that. Okay, let me go with my plays. Close above here would be good entries. Counterbody close above downtrend. ADTX looks good above 613. SYRS looks good for entries above 0.165. LITM above VWAP is entries. All right. How long did it take for you to become super disciplined in your trading? Well, to become profitable, it took me like just under a year. To become disciplined properly, like how I am, probably a year and a bit. Yeah, I mean, it's more for if you treat it like a business in terms of how you trade. If you just want to put money in and you want this short-term quick money here and there, you're not going to. You have to take it seriously. Sit down, journal, spend hours and hours journaling, back testing and stuff like that. Take it seriously. Then you will automatically become disciplined. But if you're just going to try and take alerts of people not willing to try and work and trade, you just want the lazy things. No matter how good someone is at giving alerts in the Discord, we have very good alerts. In my opinion, we have very consistent alerts. We have red and we have green, but our wins outweigh our losses. No matter if you do that and you're in an alert service and trading, whatever you like, you still will not become profitable, in my opinion, because you're not learning anything. It's very lazy trading. You're going to miss a lot of the runners and things. So in my opinion, it's not a great way to learn to trade, but yeah, it might work a couple times, but at the end of the day, it's not really worth it. But disciplined, yeah, it's just really taking it seriously, to be honest. Like stopping when you need to stop, like 2 losses in a row, be done. Have to. Do you buy stock when the volume is high? Yes, I only trade high volume. These are all the high volume stocks. 20%, 80%, 30%, 20%. That's it. Okay, guys, I've got to head into Discord. Got to sort out a few things for members. If you want to join, the Discord link is here. Live trading will start in 20 minutes. I will see you there. There's 1 month left. There are some 1 month left. 3 month, we have some. Yes, I'll catch you then. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.